What if I told you AI is slowly replacing your memory and you don't even realize it? In 2025, we use ChatGPT, Siri, and smart tools for everything. Facts, reminders, even thoughts. Your brain starts asking, why remember when AI can do it faster? This is called the Google effect. You don't memorize things anymore, you just remember where to find them. But here's the scary part. MRI scans show our memory centers shrink with tech overuse. Scientists call it digital dementia, and it's hitting Gen Z hardest. Think about it. When was the last time you remembered a birthday without a notification? Even worse, AI tools can manipulate memory. Deepfake childhood photos, AI-generated diary entries. Who controls the past controls the truth. If memory becomes outsourced, editable, and owned by someone else, are we still us? Watch till the end, because what you forget today might not be yours to remember tomorrow. Subscribe Facts. Blast now for more brain-boosting facts.